Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a quick and I want to say easy exercise for crying on cue. Each and every actor has to do it. Each and every actor knows it may not always be an easy task because things happen on set. No matter how good of an actor you are, you may get distracted. Life may happen on set and maybe you're in character for the whole day, but right before you have a close-up and the camera is right here and you need to cry, something happens, somebody says something, and you go out of character for a second, and the director is waiting and the whole crew is waiting for you to cry. So what do you do then? And I feel like each actor has their own ways, and this is my way that I want to share with you. I'd like to mention also that for my entire career, I used to believe firmly, and I would argue with my teachers about it, that when I act, I throw myself out completely. There is no me, there's only this character, and I completely embodied this character, and there is no place for me here. And you live and you learn, so I've learned through training and through speaking with brilliant coaches that actually I am 100%. My character does not exist, and I am a full package of experiences, emotions, memories, feelings that I can give to my character. Basically, I give life to my character. So thinking that I cannot use my personal experiences and my personal memories when I act is almost wrong, because even if I write the biography, I think of the moment before this scene, I think of all the experiences of my character within the script. Still, there may be a moment when I need to go inwards and think of something personal to help portray a specific emotion in this specific scene. So what we're going to be doing today, this exercise, is actually just that. It's going inside ourselves and thinking of something emotional and personal and something that made us cry before. At the same time, we're not going to be thinking about crying. Okay? This is the main thing to understand. If you're going to be thinking, I gotta cry, oh my God, what do I do? Oh, the tears are not coming. It's not gonna come because you're doing it wrong. You're focusing on the result instead of going through the entire process. And I'm going to take you through this entire process. We're going to do this exercise together, okay? In order to explain what we're gonna do, I will use just this as an example. Let's say you will be thinking of a memory of somebody who's no longer with you, a loss in your family, or you lost a loved one, somebody close to you, a friend. Let's use this as an example, okay? Let's say you're thinking of you being with that person for the very last time, and today you know that it will never happen again. You will never see them again. They're gone. And what you will do is you will go back to the very last time you were together, the very last time you saw that person. And here, I like to put it in 3 steps. Step number 1 is the moment right before you meet, right before you see them. If they're in this room, the moment before will be you're about to enter the room and you think of you're about to see them and so on. Second step is the actual meeting, actual being with that person for the very last time. And I repeat, you know that this is the last time. And the person, obviously, in your imagination, they don't know. So the second step will be you just being with them. And here I want you to think of every little detail. So all the thoughts, forget about this exercise, forget about me, forget about wanting to learn to cry on cue, forget about crying once again, forget about potentially being on set soon, forget about all those things, and just try to really be in the moment and try to really focus on being with that person in that room, and think of the way they smell, the way they'll look, the way their eyes sparkle, what they're saying, how it feels to be in that room. Is it warm? Is it cold? Just try to paint a picture of using every little detail that may help you go deeper, dive deeper into that situation. This is your second step. And the third step is the result, is actual tears, actual crying, actual emotions that will come. And again, I do not want you to think of the third step until it actually happens, okay? So let's go for it. I start the stopwatch now. I will not edit or crop anything from now on. Let's go. How's it going for you guys? So this is how it works, this exercise, this is how it feels. Just, I don't know, to be honest, maybe even I could go deeper. And I feel like even now, I still felt the pressure of making this video. I'm not going to make another one just for the purpose of bringing more tears. And, I've got what I wanted from it. I've got the feeling, I've got the tears, I've got the sadness, and just this feeling of emptiness and loneliness. Which was what I needed for this exercise. I hope it worked for you guys as well. I hope some of you even maybe had a stronger reaction than me even. Good for you. And yeah. Have a good day. Wipe those tears off, and have a great day. Bye.